guys! Well, this little hose can be the cause of your engine running like crap, especially when it's cold, where it won't even run unless you're pressing the gas pedal, guys. Let me just quickly show you where it goes and what happened on this one in particular. I just discovered this problem. Okay, so normally you would have an air box there, this part, and your mass airflow sensor that looks like this, right? So I took all that off to get to that hose, and I mean, this thing was barely running. When it got warm, it ran a little bit better, but it was running like crap. I checked coils, I checked the timing chains, like you name it, guys, and it ended up just being this thing right here, this stupid little hose. So let me just show you where it goes and how to check. So see what happened to it, guys. See it ripped there and on that side as well. See what I mean? Look, guys. So that's all it was. So that goes, it goes down there like so. See, like that. See, it runs over there to like a, here, I'm gonna get the phone in here with the light, hang on. Okay, we're going under. I did take the hose out. See, right there. See, that's where it connects to. And so ours had a major leak right there. And on the top, it just connects to this thing right here, which ours is in good shape. Just connects into there, right? So let me show you what I quickly did. I went to Napa and I purchased some 1-inch hose. So it's the same size, see? And I purchased some 3/4 hose. So one fits into the other, so that makes it easier. And I also got this little like L bracket here. So I'm just gonna make that hose right now. The whole setup cost me like 20 bucks, guys. So this is a $20 fix. Let's do it right now. Okay, guys, so I got the first hose, right? This is the 3/4 inch hose. This is also 3/4 inch, so I'm gonna slide that on here, like so. See what I mean? Once I got this, see, that pretty much represents that. See what I mean? And all I gotta do is take the 1-inch hose and I'm gonna slide that onto this hose. It's like a shim basically, see? Just like that. And I'm gonna cut it right here. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off camera really quick and then put a clamp here, and I'm gonna clamp it in the car. And you got yourself one of these fixed for free, guys. Okay, guys, so there it is. Just like that. That should totally work. See this? We'll just go like that. I mean, it's a perfect replica. It's exactly what we need. Okay, and then another trick, guys, is you put Vaseline on here and then that'll slide in easier and then you clamp it. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in, guys, and we're gonna see if that fixed it. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff. I checked all the coils, I cleaned all the oil out of them, I changed the spark plugs. Like, this is all stuff eliminating a car that was running bad, and this is gonna fix it because there was a huge vacuum leak, guys. Another way you can tell you have a vacuum leak, if you disconnect your mass airflow sensor plug and the car runs better, chances are it's got some kind of leak, especially on this pipe right here, guys. So I'm gonna put this on, we'll start the car and see if it works. Okay, guys, so I was about to put this on, but then I figured, well, since I got everything out, this is a good opportunity to check some other vacuums in there. And I actually found that, see, some of the, look how brittle this thing is, guys. It's just falling apart. So I got some new vacuum hoses as well. And while I'm in there, see, I'm gonna show you here. This is a good opportunity, guys. Sorry that it's sideways or whatever. See, it's a good opportunity. You can get in there and you can change some of those. See that one that's unhooked there, right in the bottom on the left there. See, that hooks up to that big barrel looking thing there. So I'm gonna change that. Always change one vacuum at a time. This one's very brittle too. It goes up here, and I think it comes out over here somewhere. I'm gonna figure it out and make sure I change what I can while I'm in there to nice fresh new ones. Remember, change them one at a time so you don't get confused. And I think that's gonna fix our vacuum leak, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now, guys. So remember, check these as well. Okay, guys, so I put it on, everything was good, I thought, but then I realized, so this is what it plugs into. So I realized this whole part, in my case, there was a screw missing here, and this whole part came right out of the engine at the bottom, and it was basically doing the same thing still. So I took it out. It's back there. See the oil stick's kind of attached to it. It was tight. I got it out. Now you see what that looks like. So we're gonna put Vaseline on this, put it back in. We're gonna put 2 screws. I'm gonna get another one. There was one missing. And we're gonna put it all together. So be careful, make sure that's in there all the way. If it's still running funny, this could be out. That's what it was in my case, guys. And I mean, I just bought this car and I'm problem solving through somebody else's disaster that they did in this thing. Take a look inside. As you can see, basically nothing works. But I'm problem solving through it because I am the problem solver, guys. I got the roof working already. I got the windows working. I'm just gonna wire it differently. Anyways, that'll be other episodes, guys, so make sure you tune in. Okay, I'm gonna put this on, guys. I also restored that Corvette. I got about 30 episodes, every episode on the road. It's actually done now, guys, so that's that. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on and let's see if she runs good. One other thing, guys, make sure, I just noticed, but the starter's right there. See it? The positive for the starter is right there. Make sure you disconnect your battery when you're doing this because it's like that close to it. Okay, I'm having a hard time getting it in. Okay, so make sure you disconnect your battery. Okay, guys, that's what you're trying to get it into here. It's got to go into that hole. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's getting pitch black outside, which doesn't stop me. I'm a machine. So anyways, I had to take things apart, as you can see, to really get this thing on good. Here, I'm going to show you guys right now. So I got it in here. I even put like a couple zip ties. Like this thing is in here solid. I'm not too sure what happened to it, but this one bolt was missing. That's never coming out. So now, while I was in here too, I had brand new vacuum hoses. So I mean, I changed all the ones that I could see that weren't good. And so at least I don't have to worry about that. I got nice fresh new ones, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put all this back together, this throttle body. All these look like they can just be reused, shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it all back together and hopefully that's that. Okay, guys, so we got everything together. I mean, you have to be like a perfectionist here. You really got to pay attention. As far as I'm concerned, the vacuum situation, the vacuum leak situation is fixed now. I actually legitimately haven't started the car yet. So you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to start it right now here with you guys. We're going to start it right now. I really hope it works because I've only owned this car for like 4 days now. I've put 40 hours into it already trying to fix all these problems with it. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and you should honestly check out my restoration videos on the Corvette C3. You'll learn everything you need to learn about Chevys by watching that whole series. There will be a link in the description in case you're interested in that. And also I'm gonna have many videos on this here beautiful 1997 BMW 328 convertible with a 2.8 liter inline engine, which is in like everything. And these are all the very similar kind of problems. They're all designed the same way. Okay, no more wasting your time, guys. Let's see if our repair worked, everybody. Okay, guys, battery's hooked up. Here goes nothing. Well, guys, as you can see, it seems to be running perfect. I'm going to give it some revs. Well, guys, seems to be running perfect. I revved it up. Probably first time it ran good in about 5 or 6 years, as far as I know. I just got it, but this thing's been sitting for years because of all the problems that it has. Make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching Problem Solver Garage. Till next time, everybody.
I love Problem Solver Garage.